Hello little friends, how are you? Let's learn some colors names. Purple color, blue color, pink color, black color, green color, orange color, red color, violet color, brown color, gray color, yellow color. Today we will learn alphabet. Let's start. Alphabet A. A for art. B. B for ball. C. C for cart. D. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. F. F for feather. G. G for girls. Which color is this, kids? Sky blue color. Sky blue. H. H for hen. I for ice cube. J. J for jacket. K. K for kite. L. L for library. M. M for monkey. N. N for news. Which color is this, kids? Violet color. Violet color. O. O for octopus. P. P for parents. Q. Q for quill. R. R for radio. S. S for school. T. T for turtle. U. U for umbrella. Which color is this, kids? Green color. V. V for village. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zebra. Which color is this, kids? Orange color. Now let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.